degree and place it here. Now let's resize it and change the fill color to white and remove the outline. Now let's duplicate this shape and change its width to 15 centimeter. Rotate it, place it over here and rotate it a little more. Make sure the rotation value is set to 239 degree. Click OK. Move it. A little bit adjustment is needed and our main design is almost complete. Now let's write this text by using some text box. Click text box and click on the draw text box and draw a text box over here. Set the font size to 80 and a matching font type. Now write the text. Remove the white background from the text box by clicking shape fill and no fill, and also remove the shape outline. Now duplicate it by holding Ctrl key and change the text size to 40. Write your subtitle. Now select a line shape and draw it over here under the margin and change its outline color to black. Resize it if needed. Let's move the text box and shapes over here. I'm using keyboard arrows to move the objects. Draw another text box and write your texts. Here I have just used a shortcut called rand which creates some random texts. I'm using Ctrl C to copy V to paste. Write a subheading if needed. Copy and paste the subheading over here. Select the text and remove extra spacing between them by clicking remove space after paragraph and set the spacing value to 1.0. Okay, a little bit of adjustment here. This is the main heading. When you are done, remove the background color and outline color. I forgot to leave space for the barcode, so I need to reposition these shapes and the text boxes. Let's remove these extra pieces from this line and let's move it little upward. The best thing about using text boxes is you can move them anywhere, anytime. Now let's create another text box or duplicate one and write the bottom part. Make it smaller and move it to its correct place. Open the internet and search for ISBN number generator and open this link. Now type in any random ISBN number starting with 978 and hit refresh. Now click download and your picture of ISBN code will be downloaded. Let's click insert and picture.
Thank you for watching.